Story time with Meme Kates, and I'm reading I Spy Fly Guy by Ted Arnold. A boy had a pet fly. He named him Fly Guy. Fly Guy could say the boy's name. Buzz. Chapter 1. One day, Buzz and Fly Guy went outside. "Let's play hide and seek," said Buzz. Fly Guy hid in the garbage can. He always hid in the garbage can. He liked to eat while Buzz looked for him. "I spy Fly Guy," said Buzz. "It's my turn to hide." Buzz hid in the garden shed and shut the door. Fly Guy found a way in. "Buzz, you are good," said Buzz. "It's your turn to hide again." Fly Guy hid in the garbage can again. Just then, the garbage man came. Uh-oh. He dumped the garbage into the truck and drove away. Chapter 2. Buzz's dad was going to work. "Follow that truck!" cried Buzz. The truck drove and drove and drove all the way to the town dump. Buzz ran into the dump. "Fly Guy, where are you?" "Fly Guy," he cried, "answer me." A zillion flies all answered, "Buzz." "Oh no," cried Buzz. "They can all say my name. How will I find Fly Guy?" Buzz spied a fly hiding. "Do I spy Fly Guy?" The fly flew away. Buzz spied a fly eating. "Do I spy Fly Guy?" And the fly boinked him on the nose and flew away. Buzz spied a fly landing on his hand. "Do I spy Fly Guy?" The fly bit him and flew away. Oh no. Chapter 3. Buzz was sad. Was Fly Guy gone forever? He kicked a can. He kicked a jar. Then Buzz remembered. They were still playing a game. "Okay, Fly Guy," yelled Buzz. "I give up. You win." He heard a voice from above. "Buzz, I spy Fly Guy," cried Buzz. And Fly Guy said, "Buzz, lose." And that was I Spy Fly Guy by Ted Arnold. I hope you enjoyed the story. Have a good day and bye, Cameron.